Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check training readiness on Garmin Forerunner 70. Okay, on our watch, from the level of the watch face, we gotta scroll down until we find the training readiness. Simply tap on that, but in my case I gotta wear the watch continuously for 3 days to reveal our training readiness. But if you have this information, that's good for you. You can find it right in here. In my case, I just need to wear the watch a little bit longer because I just got it and I didn't have time yet. We can also do it from the level of the Garmin Connect app. Let me only zoom out because we also have the information in the app. Open up your Garmin Connect, then click on More, go to Performance Stats, and in here we also have the training readiness, and in here we'll be able to verify it, but again, no data available for me yet because I didn't wear the watch enough time yet. But that's the place where you can find it. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.